Another key concept in marketing is what I call visibility. So when things are salient, when they're visible, they're more likely to spread. And a lot of that has to do with kind of mob mentality or sheep-like behavior, where if you see people doing something, you're more likely to do it yourself. And an example of this is the fact that Apple put their logo on the back of the laptops. And this is largely because people will see you using an Apple product and they're more likely to use it as well. So somebody's in Starbucks, oh, this writer's using a Macintosh laptop. Okay, well, I'm more likely to do it then. Another example is with the COVID pandemic, a lot of people wear masks. Now, masks are not actually the most effective means of preventing COVID. It's things like hand washing. But the real power of masks is that it's a powerful marketing tool. It's very visible. When you see people wearing a mask, it projects a message of responsibility, of social cohesion, of this is the right thing to do, this is the noble thing to do. And you as an individual, it kind of puts out to the world, I care about this issue, I care about other people, I am wearing a mask. Now, your hand washing, that's a private thing. You're doing that in the bathroom, and maybe at most 2 people see you doing it, and nobody knows whether you're actually washing your hands for 20 seconds. So the symbolism here, it's the visibility that's important from a marketing perspective, and that's how you help things spread. So when you're creating your marketing communications, you want to think about how can you use visibility to help enhance the social proof, to enhance virality. Another example of this is when an email is sent from an iPhone, there might be a little thing in the footer that says sent by an iPhone. Well, perhaps when you're selling something like dictation software, you could say dictated by whatever your brand name is, or this integration powered by whatever your product is. Putting your logos in ways that are visible to others rather than to the user is another effective means of doing that. So always look for ways to make your product visible so that it's not just a private experience by a single user.